Hello everyone. If you have a house that is similar to mine with really dark brick and you're really trying to push the limits of your projector, I wanted to show you a trick that I use on my really dark brick and also areas that need just a little bit of help to increase brightness. I use this type of Rust-oleum reflective finish that's been very helpful with some of my shows, specifically the ones that I use on the screen above the house. During last year's shows, I wanted to give this a try, so I ended up using 4 bottles to cover the entire front of the house, and I used a very light spray while using it. As you can see here, with the floodlights on, it's kind of hard to tell, but once I shut them off, you will be able to see the difference. I also went ahead and turned on the flash of my camera so you can see just a little bit more. In this scene, I'm blocking the flash of the camera so you can see the effect of the light on the brick when you use this reflective spray. And now you'll be able to see, while using an actual projection, how the overall performance is improved while using this spray. If you carefully look at the areas in the eyes of the jack-o'-lantern itself that are very orange, you can see how it increases the brightness around that particular color. In this example, I'm showing it coming from a different angle, and I've slowed down the video so you can really see the difference. So I also wanted to show you guys what it looks like while you're using this type of spray on a very thin and very black, dark screen. The type of screen that's on my gazebo is vinyl type, but it works the same with Tulle or any type of other similar screen. If you haven't seen my other video where I'm showing a screen that I built on top of the roof, this is the same procedure that I used on that to increase the brightness on it, since I was using a projector that was very far away. As I'm trying to project on this very dark screen, you can really see the details of the jack-o'-lantern itself as I enter the area that I sprayed. I do believe that by spraying more of it, the image is definitely significantly improved. And for this year's shows, I do plan on using a lot more of it. Although this spray is really not cost friendly, it's definitely a different option versus having to paint a house, or if you have a small area that you want to improve, it's a good way to go with it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any feedback or any comments, feel free to leave it in the comment section. Also, don't forget to share if you know of anybody that's in the same situation and could certainly benefit from something like this. As always, thank you guys for watching.